Sande, back with another mother-sucking video, okay? And look, y'all, I wanted to pop in. I'm at the gym, actually just got done with my workout. I gotta go downstairs and get these cheering, okay? However, I wanted to make sure that I popped in and shared something amazing with you guys, because I haven't had a chance to share it with you guys. Life has been so crazy, it's been nuts, and I haven't had the chance to share this here. So I want to make sure that I do that so you guys can take part, and that is that I am having another 30-day challenge, okay? So our 30-day challenge starts this coming week. So when you guys are watching this video right here, you still have plenty of time to join us, okay? We start our challenge, our official 30-day challenge, this coming week, the first week of April, okay? So whenever you guys are watching this, know that you do have time to join us in on this challenge. Okay, so let me go ahead and put you on game as to what you're gonna get with this challenge, okay? First and foremost, this challenge is not only going to give you everything that you need to kill it before the summertime, okay? To get fine by the summertime. Okay, so things have changed. The babies are up here, including the hubby, all right? Yeah, so let me go ahead and give you guys the rundown of everything you get with this challenge. Not only is this challenge budget friendly, okay? So if you guys are looking to get fine for the summertime, save some coin and get everything in one big old package to get everything that you need so that you can get yourself all the way together, okay? I got you, okay? So first and foremost, you get a 30-day meal plan. You get a 30-day workout plan. You get your accountability coach and partner, that would be me. You get private group support, in addition to the fact that there are bonus workouts, we share recipes. Literally, the private group is literally the most amazing part of this challenge, okay? And you guys will absolutely love it. It's my extended family. We love on each other, support each other, okay? You're also gonna have accountability. That's gonna be the biggest and most important thing. So we are gonna be doing weekly weigh-ins, okay? And we call them praise report Mondays, motivation Mondays, where we not only share our weigh-ins, but we share the inches lost, as well as whatever it is that we are most excited about and proud of for whatever it is that we've done the week prior, okay? It's literally a support group of love. It's a huge family, and that's the most amazing part of this challenge, okay? You're also going to get all of your supplements, all in one package. So your workout plan, your meal plan, supplements are included, okay? You've got your coach and accountability partner in me, and private group support, along with so much more, okay? So if you guys want to take part in this challenge, all right, it's 30 days of full-on dedication, all right? The entire month of April, all right? We're gonna get it in. Make sure you guys check out the link at the top of the description box down below, okay? And fill out the survey, super quick, super easy. I will follow up with you and I will tell you exactly what you need to do. It's super easy peasy, super easy to sign up. Doesn't matter when you sign up, okay? So if we start on the 2nd or the 3rd of April and you sign up on the 7th, you still do 30 days, okay? And you're still gonna have me for 30 days and beyond for however you need me, all right? So if you guys want to take part in our April 30-day challenge, guys, y'all know it's my birthday month, so we doing this together, okay? If you guys want to take part in my challenge, make sure you guys check out the link at the top of the description box, fill out the survey, or you can email me at fitteamtransform@gmail.com to take part. And yeah, y'all, we're gonna have some fun, okay? So let me go ahead and let y'all go, because all of that, all right? I love you guys, and we will see y'all later, all right? Love y'all. Bye.